I'm going to make this video and then I'm going to try to upload it to Edpuzzle and then have you guys do an Edpuzzle while you're watching the answers video to the study guide. So hopefully that's what you're doing right now. I have no idea if it's going to work. Maybe you're just watching this video and not doing an Edpuzzle. I have no idea. But that's my goal, guys. That's my goal. Okay, so this is your study guide for the quiz on Monday. Oh my gosh, it did not print. Oh, it didn't print the second question. Okay, so I'll be changing to another paper here in a minute for the second question. But there are 3 questions, and the first one is an inequality, right? So you can look at the back part of the notes packet, question 8 and 9. I don't know if we did all of those with every class, but you should have at least one inequality problem done, and we've done several the past couple days. So you should have some pretty good resources to use to remind yourself how to do these. We have Adrian at a Speedy Clean laundromat. The washing machine he uses costs $1.25 per load of laundry. He started with $20 in his pocket. He also purchased detergent for $5. How many loads of laundry can Adrian wash if he can spend at most $20? Okay, so our one-time fee is the $5. Right? He's not going to buy more than one thing of detergent. Our repeating fee is the $1.25. Okay, and then at most $20. So if you remember from that awesome, we figured out it was like November 5th notes where you have that list. At most means less than or equal to, right? So we're going to define the variable to determine how many loads of laundry. So X is going to equal loads of laundry and we're going to say, all right, well, it's $1.25 per load of laundry plus the $5 that he spent on detergent, and we need that to be less than or equal to $20. So how many loads of laundry can he do? So I'm going to rewrite the inequality. Draw my wall of equality. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. 125x is less than or equal to 15. Divide by $1.25 on both sides. X is less than or equal to 12. So my complete sentence answer would be that Adrian can do 12 loads of laundry with $20. I mean, that's a lot of laundry, but he could if he wanted to, right? Okay, so that was question 1. Question 2. Oh my gosh, did none of them copy the way they were supposed to? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. Ooh, phew. All right, here's question 2. Whew, that was a close call. Marionette needs to rent a moving truck. Suppose Company A charges a rate of $40 per day, and Company B charges $60 fee plus $20 a day. How many days would she have to rent a moving truck from each company in order for the cost to be the same? Remember those? This was the Movie Time Color Show in our note packet. This was also the car wash, Tina and Jim's car wash situation, right? So define a variable and write an equation to find the number of days. So X is going to be the number of days that makes the cost of renting a moving truck from each company the same. So I'm going to line this up. I'm going to have Company A equal to Company B. And then I'm going to say, all right, well, what's the expression for Company A? Well, my expression for Company A is just $40 a day. So that's going to be 40x. No other special situations. Company B is $20 per day, but there's a $60 fee. So it's less per day, but you have to pay this up front. So there's advantages to both, right? How many days would she have to rent the moving truck? Show your process. Okay, so I'm going to set this up. 40x equals 20x plus 60. I'm going to draw my wall of equality. Subtract 20x from both sides. So I have 20x equals 60. Divide both sides by 20. X equals 3. Okay. So my complete sentence answer here would be that Marionette would have to rent a moving truck for 3 days for the cost to be the same. Okay, that's what that 3 stands for there. Oops, sorry, I'll scoot this up here. So she figures out it's going to take her 10 days to complete her move. Which company should she hire? So you can use words, numbers, and or symbols. So I'm going to use numbers, but I know some of you could explain this in words. So first I'm going to show the numbers, and then I will talk about what your word answer could have been. So I'm going to write Company A and Company B, right? So remember the expression for Company A was $40 a day. If she knows it's going to take her 10 days, that's going to be 40 times 10. It's going to be $400. Company B was $20 a day plus a $60 fee. So 20 times 10 plus 60. That's going to be 200 plus 60. So Company B only costs $260. So which company should she rent from? Well, she should rent from Company B because it will save her $140, right? Now, the word part is that some of you may have already noticed is like after 3 days, which we determined up here, that she's already at even. So anything over 3 days, she's going to want to go with Company B because it's only $20 a day. Anything under 3 days, she would want to go with Company A because she wouldn't have to pay that $60 fee to start with. So it depends on what kind of move she's making. Maybe she's moving cross country or something. 10 days, that's a long time. Okay, and then problem number 3. We have Chloe with a Starbucks gift card, and she buys drinks that cost $4 each. She has $80 on her gift card. Leah has $100 on a Starbucks gift card and uses the gift card to buy drinks that cost $6 each. After how many drinks will the two girls have the same amount of money? Okay, now there's a hint here. The hint says if you are spending money, you are subtracting the money. So this is a little bit different than what we've done before. So define a variable and write an equation that can be used to determine the drinks they must purchase in order to have the same amount of money remaining. So determine the drinks. So my variable here, x, is going to be number of drinks. So I'm going to have Chloe on one side and Leah on the other. Chloe's expression is going to be $80 on her gift card minus $4 per drink. We're subtracting that 4 because she's spending the money. Leah is going to be $100 minus $6 per drink. So maybe she gets a bigger size drink. Maybe hers is fancier. Who knows? But notice that we are subtracting these dollar amounts because we are spending money. After how many drinks will two girls have the same amount? So let's figure it out. 80 minus 4x equals 100 minus 6x. Wall of equality. I'm going to add 6x to this side. So now I have 80 plus 2x equals 100. Then I will subtract 80 from both sides. 2x equals 20. X equals 10. So my complete sentence answer would be if they both purchase 10 drinks, they will have the same amount on their gift card. Okay. So I could ask you also then, all right, well, if they both purchase 10 drinks, how much do they have left on their gift card? I'll give you a second to think about that. Okay, so if they both purchase 10 drinks, 80 minus 40, 100 minus 60. So they would both have $40 left on their gift card. Aaliyah claims that after purchasing 12 drinks for $6 each, she will still have enough money left on the $100 gift card to purchase 4 more drinks at the same price. Is she correct? So she thinks she'll have enough money to purchase 16 total drinks, right? After purchasing 12 and 4 more at the same price, she thinks she'll have enough money left. So we know that she has $100, right? Minus 6 times 16. So we're going to see if she still has money left, right? So 100 minus 96 equals a positive 4. So yes, since she has a positive value left, she can purchase 16 total drinks. Okay, so that's your study guide. 3 questions. Anybody want to guess how many questions you'll have on your quiz? Are you thinking 3? Because that's what's correct. You will have 3 questions on the quiz, 3 questions that were on the study guide. They will be very similar. I highly encourage you to look this over maybe on Sunday so that when you come in on Monday, all ready to go for the quiz, it'll be fresh in your mind. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend.